know that there are. So,
folks, last week's coffee and geography guest, Rachel, in the flesh. So Rachel, we can skip the exposition because people learned about you last week on the podcast.
Yeah.
What's been your contribution to the exhibition today?
Well, we were going to do our electric telehandler, but I think we're a bit short on space. So we're building a new school in Norwich, and it's using ground source heat pump. So we're trying to get young people to think about their school. Maybe a lot of them don't really know how they're heated, or where the energy comes from. So getting them to maybe go back and ask some questions and be curious about how their school is heated, and think about things that they can do. We get a lot of similar things like planting trees and do not litter. I think most young people understand that.
Some of what we're now thinking about, the classic things now.
Yeah, so we're trying to get them to think a little bit outside the box and make pledges on things they can do. We've had a few good ones with motion sensors to turn off lights when they're not used. Only 2 minutes in the shower to save water. Lots of things about hedgehogs and hedgehog highways, and little picture of a hedgehog. And we've got someone who's got one in their garden called George the hedgehog. So yeah, just trying to get people to think about, and also think about the kind of jobs that people have in construction. So we have loads of jobs that maybe didn't exist in my day: ecologists and sustainability people and environmental advisors. So yeah, really interesting just to get people to think about the kind of jobs that they might do when they leave school.
Yeah, that's brilliant. So folks, make sure that you listen to the Coffee and Geography podcast episode last week from Rachel to find out a bit more about the work that she does with Kier. So, and thank you so much for coming along today and helping us out.
Really good fun. Do you put them in the... You still put them? They don't get in the shed. You want them in the garden.
You're right. You finished the day now.
So this whole area is what did you do at school? Climate ambassadors.